Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Framer grids for layouts. This is a powerful feature that helps you organize content on your website in a clean, structured way, making your designs look professional and well-balanced. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to go to framer.com and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are stored. From here, simply click on the website or project where you want to use grids for your layout. This will open up your design canvas and get you ready to start building. Now look toward the top of your screen and click on Layout. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From there, click on Grid. This is the tool that will allow you to create structured, responsive layouts with ease. Once you've selected it, you can drag inside your website canvas to create a grid layout. Simply click and drag to define the area where you want your grid to appear. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a panel with editing options. Here, you can adjust the position of your grid and change its size to fit your design perfectly. This gives you full control over how the grid sits within your page layout. Next, under the Layout section, make sure that the type is set to grid instead of stack. This ensures that your content is arranged in a grid format rather than a stacked vertical or horizontal layout. Also, under Masonry, make sure the toggle button is set to No. This keeps your grid uniform and prevents uneven spacing that can sometimes occur with Masonry layouts. You also have the option to edit the columns, rows, gap, and padding of your grid if needed. These settings allow you to fine-tune the spacing and structure, giving you complete flexibility over how your content is displayed. Adjust these based on how many items you want to display and how much breathing room you'd like between them. Now, to add a picture to your grid, head over to the left side of your screen and click on Layers. Then click on Grid to select your grid layout. Under Grid, you'll see Frame. Click on it, and then on the right side, click on Fill. From the options that appear, click on Image, and then click Choose Image. This will open a file browser where you can select an image from your computer. Once you've chosen your image, it will populate that frame. You can repeat this process for each frame in your grid, filling them with different images as needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a grid layout in Framer and populated it with images. This method gives you a clean, organized way to display content on your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.